might do it.
Hey, my name is Pranjal Rajput. I'm head of technology here at Investmentor.
My name is Sarah Braniff and my role is Senior Property Analyst.
John here, part of the research team.
I'm Ace Villavander, Data and Research Analyst.
I'm Nick and I work in Investmentor as a senior full stack developer.
Hello everyone, myself Ankita and I work in Investmentor as a senior software engineer.
Hi, I'm Tony and I'm the lead mentor.
Full name is Vandana DeCosta. I'm working as a client care coordinator.
Hi, I'm Andrea and I'm the Client Success and Operations Manager here at Investmentor.
Would you rather get $100,000 or a 1 in 2 chance of winning $1 million?
100,000.
100,000? Yeah, you don't like the risk?
It's not that I don't like the risk. I bet on the odds. I know how can turn this 100,000, which I'm going to guaranteed get. I know how to turn that into million. But this 50%, which may or may not happen, I don't have a formula to make that into $1 million.
I'll take the 50-50 chance.
Yeah?
Yeah.
For $1 million?
Yeah.
But you could not get anything.
It's 50-50, I'll take my chances.
Right now, I have to choose $100,000 to close my goals. Yep, I suppose that's enough for me for now. And maybe I invest this to something bigger to make $1 million.
Would you rather a large living room and a tiny kitchen, or a large kitchen and a tiny living room?
Big kitchen.
Big kitchen?
Yeah. Even though I'm not a big cook, but I have people around me who cook, and for them to really unleash their talents, they need a big kitchen, so I can enjoy their food.
For me, I have a sufficient kitchen, but still I find it difficult to manage everything because I keep buying something and it's always over busy or the shelves are not having much space there. So I'll prefer big kitchens.
Ooh, probably large kitchen, to be honest.
Yeah?
Yeah, I actually don't mind cooking sometimes.
Do you do a lot of cooking?
Not a lot, just whenever I feel like I need to make food. When I'm not lazy and just buying food, then yeah, I'll just make whatever. A lot of noodles.
Large living room.
Large living room?
Yeah.
Why is that?
Because I'll just Uber Eats. Like you said, would I buy anything? Yeah.
So do you do much cooking yourself, or?
No, not really.
Okay.
No.
Large kitchen.
Large kitchen? Do you cook a lot?
Yes,
Yeah.
I love to cook, so yeah, I prefer large kitchen.
Would you rather only ever buy anything or DIY everything?
Buy everything.
Buy everything?
Yeah.
Don't like DIY?
Probably say buy.
I would probably buy. Not a black and white question, if you will. Like there are certain things that people would like to DIY if they have time. For example, there's everyone has a plan B fantasy. I have one too, like build a wooden house in the forest and grow my own food. So technically that's a DIY.
Yeah.
I suppose like to buy everything that I want.
I'll say buy anything.
Yeah. Do
Yeah.
you do much DIY?
Not particularly. I could do. Like, I don't think I'm that bad on the tools, but I feel like buying stuff is just more convenient, so you probably have more time to enjoy it.
Would you rather be able to tell your past self one thing or ask your future self one question?
Oh, that's so good. Such a good question. Going back.
Yeah.
Easy. Going back. Yeah, I think I think we can always do a lot better if we have the current knowledge and expertise. I think there was a lot of things we could have done better.
I'd rather go back in time and tell my younger self one thing.
And what would you tell your younger self?
Invest earlier. Or it would be the people you hang out with right now will shape where you are 10 years from now.
Probably ask my future self something. Yeah, I feel like where we are now, it's like there's all these experiences that you would have learnt from and already so much that you've accomplished. So I don't really want to dwell on the past. I'd rather just look ahead and go, what can I do that will be better if I'm not in the right trajectory? So...
Would you rather work in Investmentor for the rest of your life or have to change jobs every 6 months?
Investmentor.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Do you not like changing jobs? Or you like it here?
Like it here. And there's obviously room for growth here, so hey, I'll be the top salesperson, so top mentor.
There you go.
There you go. In a couple of years, maybe. We'll see.
Oh, I'd hate to change jobs every 6 months.
Yeah.
The whole, process of getting started again, you're introducing yourself to everyone, get to knowing everyone, the onboarding, everything like that. No.
I am not a switcher kind of person. I was in my last company, I was there for 5 years. In the previous company before that, I was there for 5 years. So I'll choose Investmentor for at least 5 years.
I choose to because I like this vibe. I like Investmentor's vibe, and my team work with Ankita and Pranjal.
When you say change jobs every 6 months, for the rest of your life?
For the rest of your life, yes.
Oh.
Until you retire.
Okay. Well, it'd be working in Investmentor because you get to retire earlier. Ducks, like animals,
Yeah.
the birds.
You can mind control them to do whatever you want, or you get $1 million.
Mind control 1 million ducks.
Mind control 1 million ducks. What would we do with 1 million ducks? Theoretically speaking, even if you get each one of those ducks generate value worth $1, you're already 1 million. And then you could designate those 1 million ducks as leaders of other 10. So that's 10 million ducks that you're controlling, 11 in total. Even if you just collect the poop out of these ducks, you could make quite a lot of money.
What would I do with 1 million ducks?
You tell me.
Like, do they have some qualities that I'm not aware of? Like, yeah, I mean, even to fly, I wouldn't be very comfortable. I mean, no, I think I'd probably prefer $1 million.
$1 million?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
If that's your answer.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, I wouldn't know what to do with 1 million ducks. Or to mind control 1 million ducks, like...
But realistically, there's not much you couldn't do with them. You could do basically anything with 1 million ducks, and you could make way more money than $1 million.
Yeah, and I'd probably be too scared to do anything with the ducks in case it completely destroyed the world's, ecosystem. I don't want to screw up anyone else on the planet.
Okay, tell me who would choose the ducks.
Everybody should choose the ducks.
Okay, can I ask why?
Yeah, I reckon I would do that.
The ducks?
Yeah, duck. Because I think that will be a global phenomenon, and I can monetize the shit out of that.
Good answer. That's the answer we're looking for.
Yeah.
You could get the ducks to do anything you wanted them to do. You could make so much money from these ducks. Pranjal even said, even if you just value each duck at $1, that's already $1 million right there. You can get the ducks to build things. You can get them to... That's 1 million ducks. You can get them to fly things overseas. You can get them to perform shows. You write, anything. And all you want to do is sit there and get these ducks to do things for you. You can split them off into teams and get one group of ducks working in a factory. You get one group of ducks. We always talk about one group of ducks performing in a musical, right? Imagine seeing the first ever only duck musical. Duck, and all these ducks going quack, quack.